Anna, what's the difference between front and side splits?
Side splits is like that. Front splits is like that.
Wow. And do I need hamstring flexibility for this?
It will help with both, but is more important for the front splits. For the side splits, you need inner thigh here and the external rotators. You know?
So just doing hamstring stretches will not get me into these two.
No, you need lots of different exercises, practice, and me.
Okay. How long did it take you to get so flexible?
More than you imagine, and I don't perceive myself as very flexible. Tell us, how long do you think will take you to do your front and side splits?